Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change coolant on a Nissan Frontier. First, gather your tools: a drain pan, a funnel, a wrench, and the correct coolant. Make sure your engine is completely cool before you begin. This is crucial for safety. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from hot fluids and chemicals. Taking these initial steps ensures a smooth and safe process for everyone involved. Now, let's drain the old coolant. First, locate the radiator drain plug, which is typically found at the bottom of the radiator on the passenger side. Position a large drain pan directly beneath the plug to catch all the fluid. Once the pan is in place, carefully open the drain plug and then the radiator cap. This allows the old coolant to flow out completely and efficiently. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. Quick recommendation. On another note, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It features voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly, making your life easier. You can find the link for this amazing product and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. After draining, it's time to flush the system. Close the radiator drain plug securely once all the old coolant has exited. Next, fill the radiator with distilled water and run your engine until it reaches operating temperature, allowing the thermostat to open. Then, drain the distilled water. Repeat this filling and draining process until the water runs completely clear, ensuring all old contaminants are removed. With the system flushed, we can now add fresh coolant. First, ensure the radiator drain plug is tightly closed and all hoses are securely connected. Slowly pour the correct Nissan Frontier coolant mixture into the radiator using a funnel. Once filled, run the engine with the radiator cap off until it reaches operating temperature. This helps to bleed any trapped air from the system, topping off as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.